In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product tags in Shopify. Tags are a simple but powerful way to organize your catalog, improve internal search, and help with automated collections and filters. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find tags in your Shopify admin and how to use them effectively. Start by opening your web browser and going to shopify.com. On the homepage, look for the login button and click it. Sign in using your preferred method, whether that's your email and password or one of the available single sign-on options. If you use two-factor authentication, have your verification method handy. Keep your credentials private and secure. Once you're in the Shopify admin, turn your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Products. This is where your entire catalog lives. If you manage a large inventory, the product list includes a search and filter bar at the top, which can be helpful when you already know the item you want to edit. Open the specific product you want to tag by clicking its name. This takes you to the product details page. Here you'll see sections for title, media, pricing, inventory, and more. We're interested in the area that manages organization. Find the tags box. Depending on your layout, it may appear in an organization or metadata section, or as a dedicated tags field on the right side. Tags are internal labels you attach to products. Think of them as keywords that make it easier to group, filter, and find items behind the scenes. Add your tags by typing a word or short phrase and pressing enter to confirm each one. Keep tags concise and consistent. Use lowercase where possible. Avoid duplicates and prefer hyphens instead of spaces. If you want uniform formatting like summer collection or giftable, reuse the same tag names across similar products so filtering stays predictable. You can remove a tag at any time by clicking its small remove icon. Remember that tags can support search, help staff filter in the admin and POS, and can be used in automated collection conditions if you choose to set those up later. When you're done adding tags, click Save. You'll find the Save button at the top or bottom of the page. Wait for the confirmation that your changes have been saved before navigating away. If you don't see your tags reflecting immediately in filters or collections, give it a moment to update. That's it. Go to Shopify, log in, open products, choose your item, add tags in the tags box, and save. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.